Today I'll show you how to change font color in Microsoft Loop to make your text stand out or highlight key information. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, navigate to the document or workspace containing the text you want to edit. Next, highlight the text you want to change. In the formatting toolbar, look for the font color button, usually an A with a colored underline. Click the drop down and pick your preferred color. Instantly, your text transforms to that color. For quicker access, you can also use the mini toolbar that appears when you highlight text. It has a font color option, so you can change colors without moving your cursor. And that's it. A simple way to make your text more vibrant, clear, and attention-grabbing in Microsoft Loop. Try it out to make your documents more visually engaging.